Rise and shine, adventurers. Join us on a thrilling journey as we embark on an early morning escapade from Montreal to the city that never sleeps, New York. This is our bus going to the airport. Finally, we arrived at the airport.
Going to New York. Are you coming with us? Come.
Travel time is 1 hour and 30 minutes. Flight number 8632, gate 73. Now boarding.
Preparation for takeoff. Please ensure your seat back and tray table are upright and your seatbelt is fastened. Aisles and exits need to be clear, and baggage, including purses and larger electronic devices such as laptop computers, must be safely stowed. If you need any assistance or have any concerns, please let one of us know.
Welcome to LaGuardia Airport, New York.
Hi, finally we're here in LaGuardia Airport, right? Yes. Okay. We're going to all the way because we're gonna take the bus. Take a look at. There you go. As you can see, we're just gonna follow the sign. Going to a ground transportation. We will take the bus going to Manhattan. Okay. I'll see you later.
To ride New York's buses and subways, use Omni. Tap your own phone or card on board. You don't need to use this machine or buy Metro card here. Ooh, okay.
Taking the public transportation. We're taking Q70 bus, which we're going to downtown Manhattan. So from LaGuardia Airport, we're going to Jackson Heights and Rosebrook Avenue. So from there, we go to Woodside 61st Street. We're going to get
En
a...
français? En anglais?
En anglais, madam. We're going to
Okay.
get a
Ticket.
no,
Bus pass.
bus pass. So from here, we're going to get a new card. So it comes with a $1 fee. So we're going to choose unlimited ride. So
For 7 days.
because we're here for 6 days, we're taking 7 days. So how do you? And it's worth $33. So just gonna pay with credit card. Oh, sorry, we're not able to read it. Yes.
It's unable to read it. Okay.
Okay. So right here we got our Metro card. So in Montreal we call Metro, but here they call this Metro as well. See? So we're gonna use this one for the next 6 days that we're gonna stay here in New York. Okay, guys? Metro card, we're gonna go outside the airport and we're gonna look for the Q70 bus that we're gonna take. Okay? Here we go.
Let's go.
This is a special announcement.
Oh my, it's too
For
hot.
security reasons, please keep your luggage and all packages with you at all times until they are checked. Unattended baggage will be removed immediately for inspection and may be damaged or destroyed.
What time is the bus?
Do not
There.
accept packages that
There is
do
the
not
bus is
belong.
there. Oh my god.
We got into the bus already, so we're going down to Manhattan.
Okay, bye.
So here we're gonna take the E train
Okay.
going to the World Trade Center. Okay?
Okay, let's go.
Welcome to the World Trade Center, New York, which includes other buildings such as the Oculus Transportation Hub, the 9/11 Memorial and Museum, office buildings, and a retail center.
Italy. Eat plus Ali. Italy. Italy has never been so nice.
We are checking in at Club Quarters Hotel World Trade Center for 6 days.
Going up.
What floor? 8? Okay.
Going down.
827. Here, 815. Is it nice? Ooh. Turn on the lights. Oh. It's nice. Welcome to our room. We have the television here.
This is not the room that one.
The table, myself. Oh, there's a couch. How come there's a trapo? There's a kitchen, there's a microwave. Where's the washroom?
There's the washroom.
Hi, there's no washroom, my love.
There's the iron and
There's the washroom. It's me. Hi. Okay.
This is dedicated to those who fell and to those who carry on.